Welcome to Barack and Michelle Obama Middle School. I'm Principal Amanda Herrera Gundale. Obama Middle School is purposefully designed to be the middle school pathway for students and families who are interested in experiential hands-on learning. Our students build skills and apply critical thinking through project-based, real-world lessons in and outside of the classroom. Dedicated teachers and support staff help students grow to be responsible leaders and mentors who give back to the community. As the newest middle school in St. Paul Public Schools, we offer citywide transportation, a beautifully renovated building, 21st century learning materials, and a full range of extracurricular activities, including athletics and after-school programs. On behalf of all of us at Obama Middle School, we hope to welcome you to our school soon.